Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Challenger dashboard. First, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to ensure safety. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the center console and any surrounding trim pieces. After that, gently detach the instrument cluster bezel, which often involves a few hidden clips. Taking your time with these initial steps prevents damage and makes the process smoother. Moving on, you'll need to lower and secure the steering column assembly. This usually involves removing a few bolts and letting it rest. A crucial step is safely disconnecting the passenger side airbag module. Always follow manufacturer guidelines for this. Double-check that all electrical connectors attached to the steering column and surrounding areas are unclipped before proceeding further. Now, it's time to locate and remove all the dashboard mounting bolts. These are typically found along the top edge, sides, and sometimes behind the glove box. Systematically disconnect any remaining electrical harnesses and vacuum lines. Don't forget to detach the climate control unit and the radio, as these are often integrated into the dashboard structure. Keep track of all fasteners. With all fasteners and connections removed, you can now carefully pull the dashboard away from the firewall. This is often a two-person job, so having a helper to support its weight is highly recommended. Once free, gently maneuver it out of the vehicle. Remember to store all removed parts and fasteners in an organized manner for easier reinstallation. Good luck with your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.